the 2013 Nissan Altima 2.5. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Nissan features power door locks, keyless entry, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, backup camera, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive
This is
today.
a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at O'Donnell Lutz, a Carfax Advantage dealer.